Gochain is one of those staggeringly creative tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a good rundown of organizations yet haven't figured out how to make a forward leap yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a decent positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500-700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparable position have a market capitalization that isn't that unique in relation to their neighbors. That is the reason their spots in the positioning can change fiercely in one day or less. Gochain Specialized Investigation. The Gochain digital currency has a few things backing it up, yet there are likewise a couple of elements that appear to be highlighting Go having a fairly difficult time soon. Above all else, its true Reddit people group is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Also, clients from the US are at present experiencing issues getting Go. Furthermore, a noticeable task that utilized the Gochain organization, the VEVE Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays an exceptionally powerful and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It likewise has its own NFT commercial center, Zerman. Gochain's cost and the fate of the venture will to a great extent rely heavily on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out sooner rather than later. There's a colossal chance that the current insecurity might carry a ton of new financial backers to the market, and it will ultimately depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this task. The undertaking's eco-benevolence unquestionably is an enormous benefit. Gochain Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Gochain will be 1 cent. The greatest level that the Go cost can reach is 1 cent. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 1 cent. Possible return for capital invested. 62.5% by Go value gauge for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Gochain toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 at $0 separately. Expected return for capital invested. 0% by February 2023. Gochain value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture at the Go cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Possible return for capital invested. 12.5% by Go value estimate for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value vacillations of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Go rate they anticipate may be around $0 WALC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. Possible return for money invested. 12.5% by April 2023. Gochain value gauge around mid-year 2022. The Go cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Gochain worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. Expected return for capital invested. 12.5% by Go value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Gochain costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most reduced and top Go rates may be $0, $0. Likely return for capital invested. 25% by June 2023. Gochain value gauge crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Go cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Gochain cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 25% by Go value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Gochain costs, digital money specialists expect that the Go rate could arrive at a limit of 1 cent in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Gochain is almost $0. Likely return for money invested. 37.5% by August 2023. Gochain value gauge around mid-2022. The Gochain cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Go cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0 1 cent. Possible return on initial capital investment. 37.5% by Go value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Gochain worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 1 cent. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. Likely return for capital invested. 37.5% by October 2023. Gochain value estimate cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of Go costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Gochain will be around 1 cent, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Likely return for capital invested. 50% by Go value gauge for November 2023 in view of the value changes of Gochain toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of 1 cent in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 at 1 cent, individually. Likely return for capital invested. 50% by December 2023. Gochain value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge at the Go cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 1 cent, while the greatest could reach 1 cent during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around 1 cent. Likely return for capital invested. 62.5% by Gochain value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Gochain will be around 1 cent. The greatest expected Go cost might be around 1 cent. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 1 cent in 2024. Gochain value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain. In 2025, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 2 cents and 2 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 2 cents. Gochain value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Gochain and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Go cost could drop to 3 cents, while its greatest can reach 3 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 3 cents. Gochain value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least Go costs are normal in 2027, 5 cents and 4 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 4 cents. Gochain value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Gochain. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Go cost will be around 7 cents. It could drop to at least 7 cents, yet it actually could reach 8 cents all through 2028. Gochain value expectation 2029 consistently. Cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around 9 cents during the year. Gochain value forecast 2030. Digital money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2030 not set in stone by the greatest Go cost of 17 cents. In any case, its rate could drop to around 14 cents. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is 14 cents. Is Gochain a wise speculation? It is difficult to foresee regardless of whether Gochain will be a productive speculation. A ton relies upon when you get it or sell it, etc. Most digital forms of money rise ultimately, and Gochain's cost can possibly go up from now on. We can't offer you speculation guidance.